If you look at a textbook, and as you know, I was a professor, so if you look at a textbook, the answer is going to be estrogen, just estrogen. They're not going to include progesterone and testosterone. After our conversation today, we know that is not true. We know that is the combination of the three that has the full impact of your perimenopause and your menopausal symptoms. So you guys all got it right. But if you go and you Google it, please don't email me and tell me I got it wrong.
So this is something actually I talk to medical students and residents about, and that is sometimes the right answer on the test is not the right answer in real life, and that's where the art of medicine comes. It's like, well, yeah, that's the right answer on the test, but that's not the right thing for my patient. And so in this case, this is one of those ones where if I was taking an exam, I'd hold my nose and I'd put estrogen, knowing that that's wrong, but I know that that's what they're looking for. But the right answer in real life is all of the above.